against of democracy.
I am in against of democracy.
I am against the motion.
Okay, so very good. So you all the three are against the democracy. You both are in the support of democracy. So just I give the paper to you. Why you are in support of democracy? Okay.
Democracy evaluates the quality of decision making and reduces the chances of rash and irresponsible decisions which might be taken.
In a democracy, there is chances for the full spread and evergreen corruption.
A democracy is a better government. It improves the quality of the government.
A democratic government is in a position for limited period, so there is a tendency to make money by using their power.
In a democracy, government works within the limits set by constitutional laws and citizens' rights.
Even one people will become, even if one people will in the favor of, if one people will become the non-corrupted, then whole system will go against of him. Therefore, he have to be gradually he have to adopt the corruption.
In a democracy, government have to look after the citizens and they have to work for the best interest of society and not work for their own benefits.
Due to democracy, no single power can control the misbehavior of small leaders.
In a democracy, government focus on the public welfare.
So you have to tell the mic. I need mic. No one will give you.
Democracy has given us the political power and freedom, but it doesn't provide the economical freedom and equality.
Democracy is considered for the most important vehicle for economic development.
रवि सर वो माइक को ऑफ कर दो। अरे एक बोलेगा तो दूसरा माइक ऑफ कर दो।
Okay, tell.
In a democracy is considered to be the most important vehicle for the economic development.
Because in elections we see that political parties only these people are successful in winning the elections, and such people are only make the policies for the this section of society.
Democracy provides political equality to everyone. A poor and least educated have the same right in a country as the rich and more educated.
The leaders play divide and rule games. They divide the people based on the caste, religion, etc. to gain vote.
We cannot discriminate any of the person on basis of caste, sex, religious, etc.
But now in a democracy that is happening now.
In a democracy, there is a doctrine of separation of power, where government's powers are separated between the branches of government.
Now in a democracy we have to, the main demerits of the democracy is each party has its own political party. So when they are forming their government, they are forced to apply that political party rules on the country. For example, like a BJP, when they came into the force, they have to apply they are in the support. They have to force in the Hindutva, and against of that party, they are taking the favor of that Muslim. So on that time, the country is not developing well proper.
Please repeat your point.
I just want to tell you. So the BJP democracy has the caste system. The main thing was caste system.
No discrimination is based on the basis of caste, religion, etc. Democracy is the destiny of humanity and freedom is its indestructible arm.
In democracy, they are belong to the different parties. So the main system is that when the central government and the state government not belong to the same party, the states is not going to be well proper.
The development of the state is not good. The development of the state will not go proper if they have different both parties. Continue.
Democracy provides right to vote, where a leader can be chosen rightly in a fair way and in equal manner.
In a democracy, when they are elected, on that time they are spending lot of money which they are taken from the corrupted.
Democracy is important so that dictatorship not occurs. People are able to participate and they have the right to say against any unlawful matter.
As we know, there are many more. There are many more institutions which are control the corruption, but these all are centralized by the government.
Please repeat the point.
Means again, there are many more institutions which can control the corruption, but they all are centralized by the government for their own benefits, for their own party.
Democracy is important because no people have such privileges to take their decisions on their own, and it is a special right granted, so it should be respected.
And it does not encourage the individuals to give their opinion.
Democracy ensures many freedoms like freedoms of right, freedoms against exploitations, right to constitutional remedies.
Where this right goes from? When the parliament meeting is going to be held, the freedom for what? Throwing chair. For freedom of speech for what? Abusing to the people.
They had to pay compensation in that case. It won't be possible if there was no democracy. And the compensation can also mean to leave their position.
Some people believe that democracy provides a moral education to the citizens and develops the feelings of the patriotism. But it is very confusing because we see that many political parties,
Please repeat the point.
That is the demerit also. You can't say every time to repeat the point. This is your form.
She stopped in between. But I
So this is your consistency. That's how you are taking the point.
some people believe that democracy provides the moral education to the citizens and develops the feelings of patriotism.
In a democracy, government is more accountable to the people and they have to respond to the interest of society.
Don't have any point. Don't have any point.
In a democracy, there is an injustice. You can see just an example. When the king ruled, the punishment was not given, but immediately after the crime. But in a democracy, the criminals are supposed to be ordered and ordered even when they die, and sentences are given to them.
In a democracy, judiciary is independent and they have to react in that case.
In democracy, sometimes lead to establish the majority view over the majority.
Democracy is the best form of government because people form a society and they are the masters.
In democracy, the decision-making process is very slow. It involves long debate and a destabilization in the parliament.
It is the best advantage of democracy because decision making takes time, but it reduces the chances of rash and irresponsible decisions.
When the democracy is going to be held like this, then there is a people, so many people in the democracy, they are being corrupted for that. If one will become the non-corrupt, then whole system will go against of him. Therefore, gradually he have to adapt the corruption.
In democracy, people can change and dissolve the government according to their preferences.
In case of any power or disease in the country, democratic government proves as weak because they are not able to take the quick decisions due to decentralization of power.
That is, I have more points. Capitalism fails to realize that life is social. Communism fails to realize that life is personal. The good and just society is a social consensus democracy which reconciles the truth of individualism and collectivism.
The distribution of the publication in the members of the family, like as the husband wanted to give to the one vote in a favor in the one party, while his wife is giving vote to the another party. This variation of the choice can give it, and after that making also disconnect of its relationship.
In democracy, people have the rights so that they could be consulted according to their governance.
But the matter is that they are favoring. The matter is that the violation of the distribution of the family goes to be held because of that. The one is joining to the one party because of because they wanted the position, they wanted the power, they wanted the money, and other also he also wanted to take the power, position, and money. Therefore he is disconnecting that family's relations with each other.
Democracy literally means the power of people. It is about the people but not about politics.
A leader, when he loses his power, they run away in another country and evade the law of the country.
Democracy provides freedom of speech and expressions where people are free to say anything publicly which is considered lawful.
The expression is what for? The expression is what for? The expression is what
Which is
for?
considered lawful.
2 minutes, conclude. 2 minutes, conclude. You have 2 minutes, conclude.
My main point is that
Conclusion, you can say the vital point that you
India is a living example of democracy where the democracy gradually developed. People have to understand what democracy is. Like in French Revolution, people, if they don't understand what democracy has, then they didn't have fight for democracy. Thus, it can be concluded that democracy is more superior than any other form of government as it promotes, respects, and maintains the freedom of individuals at every aspect. If it fails to do so, then it provides the rights to correct its own mistakes to citizens. Therefore, democracy is the best form of government, and it's my conclusion.
the main is that the democracy also uses the misuse of the power. Before we know about that, when any strikes were held, like as French Revolution, American Revolution, European Revolution, the people are performing the democracies. Nowadays, the strikes and these all things which happen, these all are did by the political parties.
So you have to say the last word. Once you will get the mic, and in that you have to conclude. If you have any point to say as conclusion, you don't have any point. When I conclude, now you don't have. Very good.
So, very good.